Hello Amino, hello Amana. It's time to show you how to create a post on Amino. My last video I showed you was just basically how to really navigate the website. This one here is where we're going to tell you how we create a post and chats. There's a thing I missed in my last video, but I'm going to show you right now how things work. So of course, sign in, whatever your sign in may be. I sign in by email. Alright, and we'll just see what we can do with the post. So, create a post thing really just came out October 24th, 2018, and you can just now create a post, save a blog that you have. Right now it's only blog, so let's go check it out. So you can create a totally new post, whatever it may be. You can just save it as a draft. You can go into there and have a background image, whatever you want it to be, and categories that the Amino app supports. So let me just back out of this and show you something I've already created. So let's see. Let's go to the Amanis. So in here, I've already created some posts, and what I usually do at the end of the post, I usually say Amino apps. I usually just say created with Amino apps. Let's see if we can come back to this and it'll go to a post I've actually created with Amino apps. So let's go to my profile and let's scroll down. So let's see which one of these that I think it was this one here. So right now, this allows you to edit anything you kind of posted, even if you posted it on the phone, and if you haven't posted a file on the phone, and you use the website, it'll allow you to do the same thing. So let me just check if it says Amino apps, because I tried this on two different places. Alright, maybe not this one. Let's go to Anime Amino for a second. So here on the right side, you can just go to Anime Amino through the navigation bar on the right. So let's go to my profile here and let's scroll down. Right, close this off. And here, I usually post when it's made with Amino apps. Something Amino could try to do if when they try to show off their. Well, I'm thinking of something what Amino can do when they kind of upgrade their website, because this is still in the beta. They can have the words posted with Amino apps right under the stuff, so people can know, so they can broadcast everyone, hey, this is creative on a website, getting people to more take on the website, because some people have phones that can't take on the infrastructure that the Amino is growing to right now, and so they need to have a better place, even with voice chats. So let's just go back to Amana for a second. So a couple things that you can do with this website. So you have your website here, the website version on your left hand side, which I'm encircling, and on your right hand side you have what the phone, or what it looks like on the phone. So it can go way deeper when we start adding pictures and stuff like that. Things that we can do is, of course, highlight, and when we highlight it, a add a link appears. So I'm just going to open up another window. Let's see. I'm going to open up another window to the Amino. I'm going to navigate to featured. Alright, and we're just going to go over here for a second. Alright, I'm going to scroll down. Alright, Amino allows you post creation. Okay, so right here. For example, let me just open this up instead. This is what it looks like. This is created on the Amino app, so I can also delete it. So here is a complete version. It's in all features, only by the phone, by mobile, smartphone, or BlueStacks, whatever you may be using to use your apps. There's no background images, but I can go and grab a background image, but I'm not going to actually save a background image. I'm not sure if I can drag and drop, but I'll find out soon. Let's go look for draw imports, and open it up. And let's choose this. Alright, there we go. So this is what it'll look like once you put a background image onto your Amino, or sorry, onto your phone app version of the Amino blogs. So you have everything set up here. A little glitch that seems to be I'm not really understanding what it is when you create post or when you grab links. So let me just jump over back here to the left hand side and scroll down. So this one was just one link, and this is straight. This link here is straight from the Amino itself, the app side of it, because usually you can't get the shortened links. You can't. You get the long links, and those long links can really just take you to where you need to go. But to shorten them down, you need to grab the link straight from the phone version of the Amino app. Okay, for example, let's never open up another window to see how we're going to get around this. There we go here, and you know what? I'm trying to find that one spot. Is it here? Is it there? So we're gonna just highlight this for a second, because I wish I didn't close down that window. And let's see, go to this. Alright, so for example, I did this last year, and these are linked straight to where it needs to go. So I open that up to a new window, and see how it just expanded into a website readable URL. So instead of, like, if you want to make it short, maybe you can always just grab the link itself, and then you can go to your words, go to your document, and then you can add a link, Control V or paste in V, and now it highlights, and it's readable on both sides of the phone and the website. So another thing that you can do is copy and paste images from places. I believe you can also drag and drop. So let's see. Do I want to remove it? Yes, remove. All right. So I'm surprised that you can open it too. I just usually used my middle scroll wheel to open up a new window. So let's see. You can drag and drop. All right. I'm just gonna go, and I'm gonna open it up. Let's open up another window. So I'm gonna take this user's thing, profile picture. Go copy and paste, drag it over here, and what it should do is drop an image. So I'm gonna go enter and go Control V, and yep, we have a profile picture of there. It's just copied and pasted, and so now we can also center it, or you can go you can also go Control U, and you can go Control B to bold it. Also italic and bold, unbolding it, underlining it, and centering it. So you can do a lot of things with the website, and I find it really faster than the phone, because you have to, depending on what's your smartphone and what you're using, it's gonna have to like hold down the button and whatnot. Here you could just go over and do everything like it's a Word document. Now let's see. I want to grab an image from my PC, from my folders. So I can go straight into adding a YouTube video. If I have a YouTube link, I can add it. Do I have a YouTube link? Alright, let's just take a detour for a second. Yeah, let's copy this into it, and bada bing. Oh wait, I don't want to post it. So now the link is there. I'm not sure if it'll open up into what it needs to be, but well, we can try. Oh, there we go. By pressing enter, and boom, we have the link to the YouTube video, and we can probably watch it from here too. No? What about here? No. No, it's an image, so it's captured as an image, the thumbnail, and the only way it can be played is through its web through the website once it's completed and sent, or through the phone when it's done, and you get back on your phone. So um, another way to do this is to, couldn't really see how I couldn't click over here for a second. I find just pressing enter again, and when you go to capture and then backspacing, it gets it erased. Um, or you can grab, let's see, you can grab images like this, grab them off your folder and put it here. This is a GIF image, or I'm gonna drag something off screen that is not a JPEG, and let's see, nope, I can't do that. Or let me try something. So let's just give enough spaces. Can we drag and drop? Oh, yes, we can. So yeah, I can drag and drop right into the website itself. Don't have to necessarily open up another window to get the folder I need, the images I need. I can drag and drop. Or say maybe there's a meme that you want to get, maybe um, thinking meme, and it's a GIF. All right, so this may just be a big problem because you have to actually drag. You can't copy and, well, let me see. I might just be wrong. Hopefully, I am wrong. Too many windows now. Okay, so let's see. Can I copy and paste? Okay, so it may not come out as a GIF. It just may be an image itself. I'm still haven't figured that one out. I know that if you save it to your desktop and then drag it over here, then you get a GIF. But if you go and pick up a GIF copy image address, necessarily it won't come back as a GIF. Let me just check. Yeah, it won't. Let's hit enter. Yeah, it just comes out as the address to where you got the image. It doesn't spin or anything. So it's better that you save it to your desktop and then you come back and you enter it into your blogs to get this. So a lot of things are happening. Let's ignore that. Yeah, that seems to be what it is for the website. You can do lots of things. Hashtag still works, so you can go to your hashtags and see what you got here and everything that is linked to that one hashtag. And let's just close this off. All right. What else is missing? Blogs. As I showed you, just grab an image there. If you have your topic categories working, if it's a function that's in your Amino and people can use it, you can put it anywhere. Let's see how much we can do. We probably can do a unlimited amount. Let's see. Romance, suspense. Yeah, you can do a lot of stuff with this. So can I get rid of them? Oh, yes, I can. Just hit the X button, and this will get rid of every part of the category, even the background image, even out of here and into your blog again. And you can always just save your draft for later. So that draft is saved, and close off. Open it back up, and here we have it again. We can edit or delete the draft. You can see it was just edited just a while ago. This was 18 days ago. Open up again, and everything is still here. I think it is a good and I think it's a good website to have your stuff on the web, because now, say if you have to reset your app or something like that, and you can't get to what you needed to get to before, your app is glitching all over the place, or yeah, your Amino is acting slow, and or you lost your phone, or whatever it may be. I feel that this is a good tool, an advancement for Amino to actually become a website, so that you can actually go and get back to what you have. It's not cross-platform. I know it's not cross-platform, so you can't save your blogs here and open up to the phone. It does not work like that. But you can just post it, and then you can Yeah, you can post it, and then you can come back to it and change it up if you want, while it's published. Um, you can't right now, of course. You can't check out polls or anything, or edit polls, because you see right here, it's not ready. It's not ready for the desktop yet. Maybe somewhere in every month there seems to be an update that comes from Navari Team Amino about what things are can be updated and what things can be changed. So the polls cannot be uh, edited or changed, and it would be nice to have that, but you have to wait and support Amino as time goes by, and hopefully they will give you what you need and everything that you need for your creation and everything else you go to Amino. So thanks for watching, and I hope you stay for the next video that comes up.